Here is a quick, simple guide to setting up your custom domain. From your in-app homepage, go to your account settings. Under Product Settings, click Link in Bio, and then click on Manage Domain. Add Custom Domain. So, here are some instructions to follow to add your custom domain. First step, open and sign into your domain address website. We've done that already. Second step, go to your DNS settings. Third step, create a new A record with your desired domain as name and this IP address as value. The final record on your domain registrar should look like the table below. This is the table. Click here to copy the IP address. Go to your DNS dashboard. We'll be using Route 53 for this demo. The domain we want to connect is mainstack.site. Click Create Record. These steps would typically be the same or similar for any domain register that you're using, whether GoDaddy or MailChimp. For record type, select a record. Leave the record name blank. Some DNS providers would require you to provide an @ symbol here if you are pointing to the root domain. DNS providers like Namecheap require you to do that. So, find more information about your DNS provider before you go ahead with this step. Paste the IP address you copied from Mainstack here. Click Create Record. The record has been added. Let's view the status. The status is currently pending. Now it has changed to in sync. That means our record has propagated. Go back to Mainstack dashboard to complete the process. We have completed step 1 to 5, so click Next. Add your domain. Click Add Domain. That's it. We are done. Let's confirm our request. Click Manage Domain. The status is now active. Click Active to get more information. Let's check out our site. This is our site. Let's go back to our link in bio to verify. Here is the custom domain we added, and this is the page we loaded. Seamlessly done!